Hi, this is Lynette from LSG Crafts, and today I want to talk about deflected double weave. So what I have here is a warp set at 20 EPI in a very lightweight wool with groups of 6 threads, so 6 white, 6 green, 6 white, 6 green. And what I wanted to talk about is achieving a single colored selvage for deflected double weave. So usually, if you don't manipulate the selvage at all, you'll have multicolored selvage, just like the rest of the piece, which is awesome. It looks great, and it makes like a really neat edge to the piece. But this is just a different way of constructing a piece of fabric. And just so you can see, I don't know if you can see that right there, but this illustrates there really are 2 separate layers of fabric being woven at the same time. They're just interwoven with each other. So, all right, so since my last pick was white, my next pick is gonna be with my green. So I will treadle my first block, and as you can see, the way that it has worked out this way, the green for this particular block is only catching on the green warp threads. And since I have 6 threads for each color grouping, I'm also going to be doing 6 picks. So that's 5 and 6. So what you need to do when you're working with deflected double weave and you want that one color selvage, you have to manipulate where the green thread is going to be. So the easiest way that I have found to do this is that you skip ahead 1 block and check your treadling. So I just did block 1. My next block with my white thread is going to be block B. And then right after that will be my 3rd block. And when I lift it up, I can see that the green weft is going to need to be on top of the white to catch right there. So since it's on the bottom right now, it's already out of the way. So I know that I can continue to weave my 2nd block just as I have been, with not manipulating the thread at all. So I just do the 6 picks of the white. So now for my next block, the green needs to be on top. So all I need to do is take it from the bottom, pass it through this group of threads right here on the edge, pass it to the top, and then just begin weaving with my 3rd block. And again, you can see how the green weft is only catching the green warps. And you might notice that this is looking kind of gauzy, a little bit loose. That's because when you take deflected double weave off the loom, all the threads relax and they change. So where you see these really geometric shapes right here, once this comes off the loom, they will all curve. And then after you wet finish it, it's such an amazing transformation. So these will all become rounded and the threads shift. And then also, if you notice here at the edges, you can see if this was a normal piece of fabric that I was weaving, I would not be happy with the spacing here and the gaps. But all of that, as they say, comes out in the wash. So as soon as this will hit the hot water, it just will just all collapse and come together, and it's just a really amazing transformation. So if you haven't tried deflected double weave, try it. It's really fun. It's actually very fast, and it's really a good way to use up yarn because you don't need to have one color all the way across. If you don't have enough of one particular color, it's a great way to use up yarn. Plus, it also looks fantastic in more than one color. So color experimentation is really fun with this structure. Also, treadling. I'm using an 8-shaft design here, and I find that the treadling possibilities are absolutely limitless. It's really a fun and a fast weave, and I hope you try it, and stay tuned because I will be posting a video of this scarf coming off the loom, and then also what it looks like after it's wet finished. So thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.